fun. It's raining on a sunny day. I'm sitting here with my best friend DJ. Do you want a reference? Girl. And just enjoying my time with her because it won't be long. She's still got some spunk in her though. What do you think, DJ? Yeah. Let me run that way. I'm a mess. Okay. She has cancer. I found out a couple weeks ago. I brought her to the vet. And I was like really dreading going because I just knew. And I'm scared because I had her for 14 years since I rescued her from the streets of Tijuana, Mexico, and brought her back across the border with fake vaccination papers. $15. I brought her to a vet the next day in Los Angeles. But when you have a pet with you every day, and they're always unconditionally there for you, they're your best friend. It's like, I can't imagine a world without her. I know that sounds dramatic, but it's my truth. So why am I posting this? It's not to make everybody feel depressed, but if we could all love each other as unconditionally as my dog loves me and as your dog loves you, this world would be a much better place, right, DJ? She doesn't seem to be in any pain, but she's starting to struggle with different things. Oh, gosh. Why do half of pets, dogs get cancer? Something's wrong with this picture. I'm signing off now. Oh, gosh.